The Moose Jaw Police Service is investigating a private wellness center after a Saskatchewan NDP claimed that a patient was mistreated. The concerns raised stem from an American citizen who moved to the city seeking help for conditions of ALS, according to an investigation that was done by the CBC. Sierra D'Souza Butts reports.
A police investigation is underway in Moose Jaw after the NDP raised its concerns about a private health center to the Moose Jaw police.
This is not health care. This is inhumane.
The NDP is also calling for action from the provincial government to regulate the center following an investigation by the CBC surrounding a woman's death after seeking treatment there.
The minister said there was nothing he could do about it. I think there's a lot he could do about it. This should not be happening in Saskatchewan.
The report details the story of a 70-year-old American woman diagnosed with ALS who traveled to Moose Jaw for treatment at Diane Goodnow Restorative Health Center. In the report, her family alleges she did not receive the treatment she was promised, despite paying the center $84,000 US. The center is currently involved in legal action against the CBC over its reporting.
There is health center written on the side of the building. People are expecting health care is being delivered in this facility when they show up. ALS patients aren't showing up because they need a room to live in. There is an expectation that they are receiving care here. There is an expectation that the government is regulating health care in this province.
In a statement to CTV News, Goodnow extends his condolences to the woman's family and loved ones. He says she was already severely ill with an undiagnosed case of COVID when she arrived in Moose Jaw, for which she was treated in hospital and released, adding her health and strength improved over the 3 months that followed. Prior to being discharged, Goodnow says the woman asked to have a feeding tube inserted, but because the center is not a medical clinic and does not perform surgical procedures, she was referred to the local hospital. However, Goodnow says hospital staff declined to perform the procedure as it wasn't medically necessary. According to Goodnow, the woman was discharged from the hospital and traveled to Montana, dying several weeks after leaving Moose Jaw. Earlier this week, Saskatchewan's health minister said it would direct the concerns to the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Saskatchewan and the Financial and Consumer Affairs Authority.
My understanding is that the Moose Jaw Police have been in receipt of information. I believe the FCAA is also in receipt of information. And if those independent bodies conduct an investigation and yield results that warrant the College of Physicians Surgeons to get involved, then I expect fully that they would share those in the results of their investigation.
CTV News reached out to the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Saskatchewan and the Financial and Consumer Affairs Authority, but did not receive a response before deadline. Because this is now an active investigation, Moose Jaw Police Service says it will not be providing any further comment at this time. Sierra D'Souza Butts, CTV News, Regina.